Is your wife or girlfriend checking your mobile phone and sees your messenger texts? Or is your boyfriend checking your Facebook chats when your mobile is with him? It's just a matter of time they find your sweet old chats with some person you have long forgotten and starts an argument with you. A blast from the past can destroy the current relationship you are sharing with each other and cause lack of trust or even a breakup. So before that happens, you need to get rid of your old historical and long forgotten chats right now for good. Today I am going to show you how to delete all your Facebook Messenger chats using a single piece of software. My name is Gaurav and you are watching my channel Alien World Web Services.
I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry clean. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got less Selena. Shady hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen it. Shady love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Okay, so let's do some cleaning. First of all, you need to have Google Chrome browser installed in your PC. If you don't have it, install it right away, as we would be using a Google Chrome add-on to delete the Facebook chats. Fire up your Google Chrome browser and search for Facebook Messenger Cleaner. Open the first link that shows up. You will find the Messenger Cleaner add-on and simply click the Add to Chrome button. Once the add-on is installed, a blue circle appears to the right of your browser link area. If you are already logged into Facebook account, clicking the blue circle will take you to your Facebook messages. Here you can choose either to delete all messages or delete selected messages. I prefer deleting all messages. It should take some time to delete all the messages. Once the message window is clear, click on Show Older and it will load the older messages. Once again, click Delete to delete those messages. Repeat the process as long as there are no messages left. So that is the way you can delete all your messenger chats within a few minutes. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell to keep a watch for more such useful videos from my channel Alien World Web Services. Good luck.